Hey guys, it's me! Today you're gonna be watching my awesome nature hunting show with Scroogy Boogie. Hello, Scroogy Boogie. Hello, I'm Scroogy Boogie. Yeah, he has a really good voice. So, I'm gonna show you nature, and you're gonna see some stuff that Scroogy Boogie's gonna do for the camera. Come on, let's go! Ahem, Scroogy Boogie. I said, let's go. Oh, I thought you said spaghetti-o. This here is the Super Leaf 9000. It's electric. It will cast shadows of people that aren't there. So basically, this was invented by Bill Scotsmayer in the year 2009, and basically it's supposed to trick the animals that ghosts like that are nearby, even though it's not a ghost, because ghosts aren't real. Only leprechauns are real, guys. So, I forgot what I was going to say, so let's move on to the next one. So these are, candy. I don't really know why I'm showing you this, but this is candy. It comes in, sprinkly flavor, and it also comes in, what's that? It comes in, I forgot. Yeah, lemon flavor. My second favorite. I like white sprinkly the most. These are the Whisper Waspers. They grow here naturally in my town. In my hometown. Some places they're invasive species, and they like to take over rocks and grow over them. So basically, these are just plants, and they're here. They don't really serve much nutritional value, but if we were ladybugs, then they would be like a nice little dinner for us, but we're not. Hey, Scroogy Boogie, come here. Yeah, what is it? I found something for you to look at. Look, Scroogy Boogie. Oh, I can't believe it. It's the watermelon salon fish. Watermelon salon fish. Yeah, they only grow once a year, and there's only 2 of them. And when they're seeds, they have a 99 out of 1,000% chance of dying. So it's pretty rare to find one. Hello, kitties. Today, Scroogy Boogie here. I'm going to be teaching you about giant wild strawberries. Now, if you see these giant wild strawberries up here, don't get close, as it may bite you. But if you have magic strawberry repellent on, then you can get close, cause it might not bite you.
The forest, gonna go in the forest now. Do you want to follow me, Scroogy Boogie?
Yeah, sure, I'll follow you. Hey, it's a genie. It's a magic genie. Hey, magic genie.
I am the magic genie. I live in the black circle. What do you want?
Genie, I want 3 wishes. I want diamond and gold and silver.
Your wish has been granted. Since you did not specify where you wanted your objects, they have been hidden somewhere in the world. I'm not telling you where unless you get me out of here.
But how do we get you out, Mr. Genie?
You must save the magic princess.
Do you hear that, Applebottom? Yeah? You gotta hear, Wait, what? He said you have to save the magic princess. What? You're supposed to go save a magic princess. What does that mean? I don't understand. Oh, the magic princess. She must be up there. Come on, let's go save her, Mr. Scroogy Boogie. I'm only here for the free money. Don't stop. The heroes are coming to save you. Don't stop. Do you think there are any spider webs, guys? Are there any spider webs? I know, let's ask my good friend QRETY. Hey, QRETY. Hello, I'm QRETY. Hey, how do I, find spider webs? You have to, you have to find the spider web, and you have to, gill it. Okay, thank you. His full name's QRTYPOS WDFCXCVBHTY3GSKJL. So, basically, how do I see the spider webs? Let's ask Spider-Man. Hey, Spider-Man? Hello, I am Spider-Man. Shut up, Scroogy Boogie. I'm trying to talk to Spider-Man. Hello, Spider-Man?
Hello, I am Spider-Man. What do you want?
Never mind, I forgot. What was that? I forgot what this video was, so I'm just gonna go home. It's a giant wild strawberry. We better run. It might eat us. Oh no, the vultures are here. Oh no. Commercial break. Are you tired of the wasted hours of filling up your coffee cup? I mean your gas tank? Then come by this. I hope you won't get in a wreck. Ah!